What's going on, everyone? My name is Vince from Life with Vince Lou, and today I will be reviewing this running hat on my head and this one right here as well. They're actually the same exact hat, just different colors. It is the Nike Aerobill Tailwind. I'm gonna go over what I like, what I don't like, and then give you my final thoughts. And a little bit of background about both of these hats. These hats are the only running hats that I've ever owned, and I've had them since July of 2019. So please keep that in mind as I go through this review. With that being said, let's get into the things that I like about the Nike Aerobill Tailwind. The very first thing that I like about the hat is the breathability. Right now, I do have a little bit shorter hair, though I used to have longer hair that was down to my nose area. The whether I'm wearing this with shorter hair or long hair, I feel from the design of this cap, it really allows for a lot of breathability and just to make sure that my head isn't suffocated. As you can see from the design of the hat, there are holes on the left side, the front, and the right side to allow for that breathability. Next thing that I like about the hat is the material that it's made from. It's made with the Nike Dry Fit material, and the Nike Dry Fit material does a really good job of soaking in the sweats. Also, the hat is made with reflective material, as you can tell by the front of the hat, the swoosh, and then also a part of the back. All of that is reflective material, so if you're running at night, it will definitely help with others being able to spot you. A couple more things that I like about the hat, it is very lightweight. It basically weighs nothing, so when I'm out there on a run with it on my head, it feels like nothing is on my head. And I also love how I can wash and dry this after each one of my runs. Every time I take it out of the dryer, it's pretty much the same. I know with regular hats, there is cardboard in the bill, and if you wash and dry, the cardboard will mold, but the material that's inside of the bill right here, it doesn't change whether you wash it or dry it. Let's get into the two cons that I have about the hat. The very first con that I have about the Nike Aerobill Tailwind is that the hat itself is pretty short. As you can tell when I put it on, the hat doesn't go down very far. And I'm not sure if this is a Nike Aerobill Tailwind thing or a running hat thing, just because for me, I am so used to wearing snapbacks and baseball caps that tend to go a little bit lower. So again, I'm not sure if it's just me. And second con I have about the hat is that when I do wash and dry it, there is that lint buildup right here. Though at the same time, if I were to pull it over and then push it down like this so that when I do wash and dry it, there won't be any lint buildup. But that's just something that I noticed that when I'm done running, I'll usually pull my cap off, throw it into the washer, and then dry it after. But on both of these hats, as you can see, there is that lint buildup, and it's just a little annoying. In terms of the price, right now you can get it on the Nike website for about $32, and actually they don't have many colors available right now. They only have one special edition blue ribbon color available, so unfortunately that is the only one up on the website. Though I know that when I went to the Nike factory stores or just a Nike store, they'll have the solid colors for right around 28 bucks or so. Overall thoughts on the Nike Aerobill Tailwind, honestly, I really do like these hats, though at the same time, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I don't have any other experience with any other running hats, so I may not know what I'm missing out on, but honestly, it's hard to imagine that another running hat is going to be so much better. There might be some hats that are a little bit better, but at the same time, I don't see it being leaps and bounds better, so for the time being, I'll stick with the Nike Aerobill Tailwind. I'm actually wanting to pick up a few more, so when new colors come out on the Nike website, I'll probably pick those up as well. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Please let me know down below if you have any additional comments or questions for me. Would love to hear from you all. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'd really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. On this channel, I make daily YouTube videos, and I come out with at least one review video, just like today's video, every single week, along with at least one live stream a week as well. This channel is dedicated to documenting my journey, everything from me being a California real estate agent to powerlifting, ultra running, jiu-jitsu, and everything else. So if you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, again, consider subscribing.